Aha!
Welcome to Gen AI Briefs. Here's today's generative AI news for April 9th, 2024. The rise of AI chatbots aimed at providing mental health support is prompting debate around the potential risks and limitations of relying too heavily on such technology. While these AI tools can offer immediate, anonymous assistance and help triage low-risk cases, experts caution they are no substitute for human therapists. AI fundamentally lacks the capacity for genuine empathy, emotional depth, and nuanced understanding required for effective mental health care. There are fears that over-reliance on chatbots could lead to misdiagnoses, technology addiction, and people avoiding professional in-person help altogether, which could prove dangerous for those struggling with serious issues like self-harm. Mental health professionals recommend using AI only as a supplementary tool, not a replacement for the human element. This is a critical issue, as AI increasingly enters sensitive personal domains like mental health care. While the technology shows potential benefits, its current limitations mean deploying AI mental health tools requires extreme care and oversight to avoid putting vulnerable populations at risk and eroding public trust in AI's role in this field. Proactively addressing these ethical concerns is vital. JPMorgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon believes artificial intelligence will have a transformative impact on society, potentially as significant as inventions like the printing press, electricity, and the internet. While uncertain about the full effects and rate of change, Dimon stated he is completely convinced the consequences will be extraordinary. Dimon anticipates AI will augment virtually every job at the bank, which now employs over 2,000 AI and machine learning specialists. He expects AI to reshape JPMorgan's workforce composition, reducing some job categories while creating new ones. The banking leader's perspective underscores AI's disruptive potential across industries and the workforce. Dimon's views from his influential position atop a major financial institution signal how pivotal AI is expected to be as a societal force demanding strategic workforce adaptation. In a major boost to U.S. semiconductor ambitions, TSMC, the world's leading contract chipmaker, has signed a deal with the Biden administration to produce advanced chips domestically in Phoenix, Arizona. This move aligns with Biden's efforts to bolster American competitiveness in the critical semiconductor industry. The agreement with the Taiwanese chip-making giant aims to reduce U.S. reliance on foreign suppliers, a key priority amidst intensifying technological rivalry with China. It falls under the Biden administration's broader strategy of investing in domestic manufacturing and tech capabilities as a countermeasure to China's growing clout in the global chip market. Securing a commitment from TSMC represents a major win for U.S. semiconductor ambitions and its technological competition with China for supply chain security in a foundational industry. That's it for today's generative AI news from today's sources: Fox Business, CNBC, and Financial Times. Thank you for listening. Links to these stories are in the podcast description. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.